Sabadi. Again, my name is Odom, and today I have a very special day because now is a Lao New Year, and me and my family we came here together to explore the Padang view, and we just coming back from the Padang view after very exhausted, and then I come here and I want to explain you a little bit about the nature. The nature is very important. Without nature, we are nothing. So that's why we have to save the nature. We have to look after it and don't destroy it. And as you see here, behind me and in front of me, there are so many big trees and small trees. As I observe, there are three levels of trees. So the small one, and the bigger one, and also the biggest one. So this is very important as well. When it's raining, when the raining water come, it doesn't come directly to the soil. It comes first, it breaks with the bigger leaf, and then it go down to the water, to the soil. It didn't affect the soil immediately. If you have no tree, when the rain, it comes directly to the soil and then it destroys the soil, and it causes erosion, and you lost a lot of nutrients from the soil. And you can see here, down here, there are so many leaves, many dry leaves falling down from the trees, and it can, after 3 months or 1 year or whenever, and it can become very, very good fertilizer, natural fertilizer. You see here. So this is very good. This is we call the ecosystem. And in the soil, you can also, there are so many bacteria and worm, and many other, and also the small seedling here, they are growing very well. And also, I also hear some birds singing, so it's very nice, and also insect. So this is the nature. So that's why we have to protect the nature. We have to save the nature.